Hi friends, ready for another great day at the amusement park? Great, but before we play, we have work to do. Today we will build a giant gumball machine, so first we have to find all the pieces. Do you see something, Ed the Excavator? Billy the Bulldozer can give you a boost. Looks like a big red stopper. Let's put it over by the tires. There must be more pieces around here somewhere. Keep looking. Hey, Charlie, what's that on the merry-go-round? It's the body of the truck that makes the gumballs. Let's go start putting it all together. Way to go, Charlie. Great job holding the truck body while Ed puts the wheels on. Billy, are you going for a ride on the Ferris wheel again? Oh, there's a piece of the gumball machine on the Ferris wheel. Ed has found something big and round like a ball. Bring it to the truck and let's see if it fits. Perfect. And Billy found the bumper. Now we need to fill it with candy. Billy, you think we should fill it with balls from the ball pit? No. Ed, do you have a better idea? Wow, you found containers full of gumballs. A green one, a red one, and a blue one. Let's take them to the gumball machine and fill it up. Charlie can lift the small containers and pour them into the big container. Blue, red, and green. Now the lid goes on, and we're all finished. Candy, anyone? Great job, guys. It's time to have some fun at the amusement park. See you next time, friends. This looks like fun. Flying through space. All the way to the moon? Whoa, this is amazing. Hi guys, what are you up to today? You found the pieces of a moon vehicle and you're going to put it back together? Great! Let's start gathering all the parts. Wow, there are lots and lots of pieces. Now it's time to put it all together. Good job, Charlie. You found the wheels. Let's put them on next. Almost finished. What is this, Ed? Whoa! It moved on its own. I think it wants to play chase. Charlie and Billy, do you have anything that could help Ed catch the ball? Jetpacks. Great idea. Now you can catch it. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to have a little fun on the moon. Woohoo! All right. Wow. See you next time, friends. Hi guys, what are you doing today? You have an idea? You want to build an aquarium? Let's get started. The walls are going together nicely, but we still need to find all the supplies. Good job, Ed and Charlie. Those will look great in the aquarium, Billy. Good job. It looks great. Time to add the side pieces. Careful, don't break the glass. Those will add a lot of color to the aquarium. Great work, guys. Almost finished. Now we need a few underwater creatures to live in the aquarium. Way to go, Charlie. Wow, the new aquarium looks fantastic. Time to have some fun. And now the Super Soaker water gun battle is on. Watch out! Whoa, he got you! Have fun, friends. We'll see you next time.